I'm Cecile, and this is my team. We recently launched our website. Various people with different skill sets were involved in this project. Our team of developers, our graphic designers, our marketing manager, and our sales director. To promote continuous improvement, we decided to take the time to do a retrospective together. So, how did we do that? Come on, I'll show you. We started by listing what worked well. It's always a good idea to start with the positives. Then we discussed what we needed to do differently. We then listed what was beneficial and what we need to do more of. Then we focused on the sticking points. What did not work during our project? We then suggested ideas for working together more efficiently. And finally, to go from ideas to action, we prioritized our ideas and drew up an action plan for what we need to improve on. It's really easy to do with likes. The finishing touch was connecting people to actions to decide who is in charge of what. There you have it. We were able to take a step back as a team to capitalize on our experience and work together more effectively in the future. So, are you ready to give it a try?